Hello everybody, Bridget here. Welcome to my channel. Today it's just going to be a simple tea time treat. Nothing but plantain fritters or banana fritters. So this is a very old Anglo-Indian tea time treat which is enjoyed in many homes. There are different ways of making it, but I will show you the way I make plantain fritters. So just keep watching and I'll run you through the ingredients. So these are the ingredients. I've taken 1.5 cup of plain flour, half a cup of milk that I've mixed with water, 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can add more if you want, or you could omit the sugar. I've beaten 1 egg and we need some vanilla essence. So now these are the basic ingredients for your plantain fritters. And of course we need 2 overripe bananas, the green skin variety with these dots, but you could use whatever bananas are available at your place, so nothing to worry. These are soft and sweet, so it's always nice to use them. So we begin by peeling our bananas and then we're going to mash them. So we mash the bananas well with a fork. So mash your bananas really well, and then what we're going to do is we are going to add the bananas and all the ingredients into the flour. Now I'm going to add the beaten egg. Add in your sugar. Okay, maybe like half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. You could omit the vanilla essence if you don't want it to have the vanilla taste. Now I'm going to add the milk mixed with water little by little. And I'm going to mix well. I'm going to add the remaining milk. So I mix really well so that there are no lumps. But of course you can see the banana pieces, so that's okay. And now we'll start frying our banana fritters. So we begin by heating sufficient oil in a deep pan to fry the plantain fritters. Now I just want to mention that you could use egg if you like, or you could omit it if you don't want to use egg, no problem. So we begin by pouring spoonfuls of batter into the hot oil. Don't worry if they stick together, we can always separate them. So as many as the pan can hold. can just keep turning them around and we fry till a nice golden brown. My fritters are not coming out round, but that's okay. They could be in different shapes. Just keep turning them around till they turn golden brown on both sides. So fry on medium heat so that the fritters cook evenly. See, there's no need to add baking powder or baking soda if you use egg, because that way it gives it this lovely fluffy feeling. So as you can see, the fritters have turned to a lovely golden brown. I'll remove them now. Okay, so lower the heat a little and we'll remove them. And so our plantain fritters for tea today is ready. We've made quite a few. So I have some suggestion. If you like, you could sprinkle some powdered sugar on the top. So there you go, your banana fritters are ready for this evening's tea. You could have them just plain or sprinkled with powdered sugar like I said, or enjoy them with ice cream. And either way, they're delicious to have and very easy to prepare. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did bringing it to you. Please like and share it and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.